Hey guys, just another quick tutorial. This is how to transfer or fund your credit wallet using your crypto. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my credit wallet. So right now I have 89. I think I just transferred $40 to someone else. So what you're going to do is click this fund credit wallet. Okay, this is very important. I want you all to pay attention. I'm gonna be using cryptocurrency to fund my credit wallet. I want to fund it like with $90, actually 90 if I have a lot of money there. Let me try to fund 95 or $90, okay? So I'm going to show you the $90 and then fund your credit wallet. Now, to those who are already using cryptocurrency, they know this, okay? What you want to do, this is very important, is to click here, pay with crypto. And then you can choose from the drop down arrow on what to use. Let's say you want to use other cryptocurrency. Over here, you can find all the cryptocurrency, including the USDT. So I'm using Bitcoin a lot of times. So I'm going to click here, the Bitcoin. All right, guys, this Bitcoin. Now, they're going to give us the amount, the exact amount for that $90. So be very careful. So I have here 0.00075,992. You can copy out, but sometimes my app is not letting me paste it there. So I'd rather memorize this 0.003075992. So I'm gonna go to my crypto wallet. I'm using Cash App right now. I have here 100 cash balance and I have a crypto of 104. That's enough to transfer. So they said I'm going to click here. All right, click on this arrow. Every app has a different format on format to send. Okay, so I click that and I'm going to send. Okay, send. So on the send, you have here the amount. You can change here for the amount or you can change for the crypto. Since the LiveGood gave us the crypto amount, which is point there 0.00030 and 75992. All right, 75992. That's it. Yeah, exactly. Now we're paying more, $90.15. You need to be quick, okay? Because they might change. Now they're asking for the next is the crypto wallet address. So we're going to go back to LiveGood and we're going to copy here the address over here. Now you can copy the address by clicking that little button. Guys, this is very important later. We need to click the send button, all right? So I'm just doing it quick. Okay, so the crypto wallet is already pasted. And now we're going to click the next over there. Okay. Make sure it's the latest crypto wallet that you pasted because sometimes you're going somewhere and you copy pasted some. Okay. So in this transaction, they're requiring me to pay $3.35. I could also this 2 hours, but I'm rushing. So we're going to use the $335. So it'll be quicker or I can also use this. All right, for the $2.33, but I really need a fund. So we're going to click the $3.35 and we're going to hit next. All right, so it shows here that the $90 thing will be deducting. They will be charging us $3.35. That's still enough to have that amount. So we're going to confirm and send. And they're giving me this code. So I'm going to turn this recording off so you won't see this PIN code. All right. So I gave my PIN code and there is always a warning of a potential scam, especially if it's crypto. That's okay. So you're going to acknowledge this transaction because you know where you are sending. Okay. So don't pay to those how do you call the scam bugs, guys? Okay, send anyway. Okay, because we know we're sending it to crypto, to LiveGood. And so there you go. And I have to click done. Now, this is the most important part. You go back to your LiveGood transaction and you need to click the send, guys. All right. Because if not, then LiveGood will not gonna know that you send them the crypto. All right. Now I'm going to send it. I'm going to click that send, and you just wait here, and you will just refresh over here to check the status, because sometimes the blockchain is heavy traffic there, and sometimes we receive it in 30 minutes. But I use the Rush $3.35 fee. So let us see later. And your crypto wallet app will, send you a notification on your phone, probably, of, what's going on with your crypto over here. So I'm going to go back to my transaction site, and we'll check over here what's going on over here. All right. So there you go, withdrawal of 90. There, it's still processing, and later on, and that is already processed and complete over here. Let's see how long that will go, if it's really rush. Okay, it's now 3:25, and I'll check. I'll just update you guys later of what happened. All right. Okay, guys, it's already showing completed over here, complete. Okay, and from my wallet, it's already complete. As you can see, it's already deducted over here. So we're gonna go back to my LiveGood over here, guys. Okay, so don't close your LiveGood app, or your LiveGood site while doing this. And we're gonna see here, we'll click this, we will refresh, click here to check your status, and boom, guys, that's it. As you can see there, our cryptocurrency wallet fund is congratulations, we have received your cryptocurrency. So we need to continue, and let's try to see our wallet once again on our earnings over here. And there you go, we're gonna go to credit wallet. There you go, guys, it's already there, $90.89. I only need $80 to activate 2 members today, so I'll do that later. Oh, by the way, as you can see here also on your credit log, it will show you where it came from. Okay, this is the detailed transaction of everything you're doing with your credit wallet. All right. Okay, guys, Coach Lola here once again. Thank you so much for joining Global Income Builder team. See you at the top. Bye bye.